Hello EV innovators. Meet Enception EV, your next big opportunity. Say goodbye to hours of charging. Our swappable battery system delivers instant swaps in seconds. Unlike global brands stuck with fixed batteries and bulky charging setups, Inception EV simplifies it all. We are rolling out a single powerful battery pack for every EV. Using 3D printing technology for mass production of recharge spots, we can create a vast network of recharge hubs across every city. Inception EV's vision isn't just to transform charging system but also seamlessly turn existing fuel stations into thriving swap hubs as the EV fleet grows every day. From a bold vision to a proven breakthrough, Inception EV is set to lead the EV transportation. Fellow EV pioneers, Inception EV wants to join forces with your brand to reshape the future EV world. We are ready to merge. Let's talk.